This cerium bothum Revitive thing is broken. This belongs to Mick, and Mick broke it. The power supply for this is a 5 volt 2000 milliamp hour power supply, and what Mick did is he plugged in, I think he said 12 volts, because it had a white wire. Sorry Mick, but I did have to tell everyone. So apparently he's googled this, and it is a common fault. If you put the wrong power supply in, it blows a chip, and he's bought the chip. I think he said it was some kind of fuse diode or something. I don't know, but let's open it up and let's see if we can figure out if that is the actual problem. In fact, shall we plug it in first? Let's do that. Where do you plug it in? You plug it in here. Right, we're in. No, it doesn't come on. It's got a little remote control with it as well, and that also doesn't work. Right, so let's open this up and let's figure out what's going on. How do we open it up?
Shout out to Ian BOLTON, the legendary beefies. Got dodgy feet and they're probably all cheesy. But boy does he love his Revitive booster. Boosting his feet, strutting like a rooster. Yo, Badger Squatch, Mick has killed this. He put in 12 volts and made it fizz. Adam Taylor, it's a common fault. Fixable by any budget worth his salt. So that's probably not me, Data Princess Wizard. You know how my ways are a bit absurd. Sigma 4, we can surely make this work with a little bit of bodge. Tim House, the support hero, we're getting in this now. Along with Lee Benz, I'ma show you how. It's only 4 screws, free TV, and the back pops off, nice and neatly. Anthony Dean gotta remove this board before Cooey Jingus and the viewers get bored. We'll move on quick to the HHG with Mick Adams and Flynn, Montero, Bert and Mackie. Ours, Newton, Kill, Switch, Infinity. Eric Broders, Fox, got a Hemi Cheesy. Stuart Coles, Chris, Jenkins, Damo, DB. Esther and Keaton, Kegel, Burby, Money. Roger Dick, Mensel, Heinzie Hall. Maxi Fish, Frisky Friends, Hemi 84. Alex Margatroyd signing off this flow, but not before the Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace.
Right, there we go. We're out. So let's get this under the microscope, I think, and we'll see if we can figure out where the problem is. Well, this is the connector here. It runs through a lot of components, doesn't it, before it gets... Is it going to be one of these? There's a fuse there. Let's check that fuse. Altimeter and continuity. So the fuse is fine. Is it this? I mean, there's continuity through that. Let me just look at the component that he sent me. Right, it's here. Let me get it out. Right, well, I mean, it is the same form factor as that, isn't it? So it's probably going to be that. The thing is, I don't really understand... It's got 5 amps written on it. I mean, there is another diode-looking thing here. But that one also looks okay. Should a diode have continuity through it? That's the question. I'll tell you what we can do. We can just check to see if this one's got continuity through it, can't we? No, it doesn't. So is it some kind of protection diode and it shorts when it's failed? Is that what it is? Don't really know. Well, let's take it off and let's see if the pads are shorted or if it's the diode that's shorted. Got my hot air station on 400, I think. Let's check the pads. No. Let's check the diode. Yeah, it's shorted. Right, well, I mean, let's pop the other one on. I don't know which way around it goes. I presume that line means it goes that way around. I mean, I've only got one of these, so I don't really blow it. I'm just going to try and remove the solder that's already there. Now let's pop this one on. Surely it's not going to be as easy as that. Right, before we put it back together, let's just check that it's not shorted. No, it's not. Okay. Right, let's give it a go. Right, let's plug it in. Here we go. Oh, no way. It was that. You were right, Mick. Well done. How do you use this thing? Do you have to put your feet on it? Obviously, these are not my feet. Oh, no, that turns it off. I can't feel anything. Should it be on now? Oh, okay. Yeah, I can feel it now. What does it go up to? Oh no. Ah! What? No, really, what does it go up to? Oh wow. I'm not sure I want to touch that. I don't like it. It's still going. $99. Right, here we go. Let's do this. Not recommended. Right, well it works. Stupid Ian Botham thing. Google it.
I say I don't like cricket. Oh no. I love it. Yeah. I don't like cricket. Oh no. I love it.